Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is density and its units. Now student, as we all know that every body has a certain mass and volume. But students, do you know that if the volume increases, its mass also increases? Means, for example, if I'm adding a certain volume in a body, obviously its mass will also rise. So students, based on that, equal masses of different substance have different volumes. For example, if I'll consider volume of cotton or volume of lead of the same mass, the volume of cotton will be more, whereas the volume of lead will be less. For example, can you see here? There's a huge amount of cotton but a very small amount of lead, but they are weighing same. The reason behind that, when you will consider cotton, the intermolecular distance between the cotton is very large, whereas in lead they are very compact or highly packed. So particles of lead are closely packed while those of cotton are very loosely packed. Because of that, the cotton has a high volume and lead has a very small volume of equal masses. Now let's understand another topic. Equal volume of different substances have different masses. If we'll consider the same volumes, okay, but they'll be having different masses. Particles of iron are closely packed while those of wood are loosely packed. Because of that, mass of iron will be very large and mass of wood will be less. Can you see here? The shape of the wooden box and the iron box is the same. Exactly. But when you'll weight them, the wooden box has a less mass, whereas the iron box has a higher mass. The reason behind that is, when you'll consider wood, again they have a large spacing, whereas when you'll consider the iron box, they are highly packed. Because of that reason, they have the same volume but different masses. So let's understand density. What is exactly density? Density of a substance is nothing but its mass per unit volume. So what is density? Mass per unit volume. Exactly. So because of that, we can write the equation as mass of the substance upon volume of the substance. But the density is denoted by small d. So the formula can be given as small d is equals to capital M upon capital V. Now what is exactly capital M? Mass of the substance. And what is capital V? Capital V is the volume of the substance. Exactly. So what is the equation of density? Mass upon volume.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.